We'll remove the tire. This is a small one. Size. What size is this?
The 410, the dual, 410 350 by 4. They're a common trolley wheel size. Oh no.
Oh, it wrecked the
Yeah,
thing.
that's what I said. They're pretty bloody flimsy stuff,
Yeah.
and they're a bit rusty. Oh, sorry. Other was a lot easier to get off.
This is a tube. It's not a tubeless.
No, it's got a
tube.
tube in there.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you have a vise to hold the thing up, but make sure you don't damage this one. Just press soft so it won't dent. And there. This is reusable.
You can even use it as a pulley, you know, for a rope pulley.
Yeah.
I'm not going to push too hard, I'll slip it. I am breaking me bloody neck. Okay.
So we'll put some wheels there. That's for the gas or generator trolley. So we have some spares there. We have this for rickety. So you can practice how to remove it with a vise or without. Just put on a floor if you are expert. And if you have a proper tools like a tire lever, that's a good thing to do it so it won't wreck the tire. But this
Oh, look.
one,
They're so flimsy, these, you gotta.
yeah, it's so soft. But this one, because it's not really 100% new, it's okay to use your, what do you call this?
It's seen better days.
Seen better days. I forgot the name of that.
The name of what?
This one.
What, a tyre? The tube, the wheel,
No, this one, the one that you're holding.
screwdriver.
Screwdriver. You can use screwdriver or a proper tire lever.
What am I doing there?
Anything that can remove the tire, the rubber tire, and the tube. Yeah, I think sideways is.
I'm just lazy.
It's just too hard. Okay, last one. And people who don't have, how's this? People don't have a job, nothing to do, they can watch you. That one. First step, 2 step, 3 step.
See how they bend really easy?
Yeah.
Tyres a bit harder. There's the valve stems off the tube.
Wow, bingo! That's all. That's good.